Dear students, I'll show a photo, case scenario, case photo actually, and find out what it is and its surgical implications or understanding. See that what is this? See that in the neck between the two heads of sternocleidomastoid, there is a swelling, definitely a node, lymph node. So what is this? It is a left supraclavicular lymph node swelling, also called as Virchow's node. Sign is called as Troisier's sign. Virchow's node is single node where thoracic duct joins the brachiocephalic vein and IJV junction, and it is the in front of that it has got a efferent and efferent thoracic duct is at the end where it joins at a wall. So malignant cells from the GI stay there that point of time because until wall opens, it goes back to the lymph node and gets enlarged. And any palpable left supraclavicular lymph node, also called Virchow's node, is significant. It suggests ongoing GI malignancy. It also suggests advanced ongoing GI malignancy. And definitely under ultrasound guidance, if you take, you'll be able to get a diagnosis. Of course, you have to do a gastroscopy. Common cause is carcinoma stomach, but it can occur any GI malignancy, small bowel, pancreas, even in colon, colorectum also. It's a GI malignancy indicator. It is a external indicator of GI malignancy. It is also called as the devil's node. It is also called as end node. So different names are there. It is a single node, remember. Sign, what is that? Malignant cells entering and causing enlargement of this Virchow's node. That is called a Troisier sign, Troisier. And Troisier published a paper and made it assert put the sign. And Troisier was Virchow's student actually. So he named this node as a Virchow's node, who was his teacher. So that's exactly Virchow's node, meaning it's a signal node. Remember, it's a level 4 deep cervical node, not superficial node, not level 5. It is MCQ question. It's a level 4. Reference is there in my book, SRB Manual Surgery and Clinical Methods in Surgery. Entire class it is there. Diagram about that. So it is exactly so. FNAC, CECT, neck, chest, abdomen, gastroscopy or colonoscopy. It will go the primary. It's advanced malignancy. Remember. So there is exactly the meaning of the Virchow's node. So you can read my SRB Manual of Surgery and Clinical Methods Surgery with the diagram about this, and we'll have the clear idea about this Virchow's node. So please go through that, and to answer the MCQ, I'll get back to you with the appreciation. Brocard triad is seen in A, B, C, D. Put the right answer in the comment box. Irish node is A, B, C, D. Again, put the right answer in the comment box. I'll give the answer later. Quotation of the day is: you glow different when you have good people with good intentions in your life. So goodness comes together actually. Good people, good intention, good approach, good outcome, like that. So always be with the good people rather than with bad people. That is the exact meaning of the quotation. So students, please go through my SRB's Manual of Surgery. It gives a detail about all CBMA syllabus and covers both for MBBS and postgraduate also. But we got MCQ for each topic wise. General surgery, gastrointestinal surgery, urology, specialty basics, urology, neurosurgery, cardiothoracic, all those basics are covered. Instruments, adjuvant therapy, chemotherapy, briefly about anesthesia, specimens, briefly about anesthesia, briefly operative surgery, and current recent advances also. Everything covered with the quotations, with the illustrations, with the photos. Everything is covered. It's more than sufficient for undergraduate to go through this book, learn surgery, and face exam, face MCQs, everything for both UGs and postgraduate. Also go through my clinical methods in surgery with the video of how to examine in each topic. It gives a detailed examination method, but of course there is no management in this. With a clinical book and briefly in a tabular form, differential diagnosis and good photos and exactly how to examine and how to write patient of each different topics. Ulcer, swelling, breast lump, and everything covered. Briefly orthopedic also. It also has got specimens, images, instruments which can always be useful when you take Viva and Oxy and practical exam. So very, very useful because we have all videos of how to examine a patient. It's very, very important in your practical exam of any medical graduate of any type. It will be very, very useful. So please go through it and have it. And my operative surgery, the 2-volume book, new edition has come, and it was extensive discussion about the methodology, technical principles, and steps of the different operative surgery, major to minor. Everything is covered. with around 10,000 illustrations and photos. And my tissue atlas of tissue approximation, small 100 pages book with the video, how to do suturing in different situations properly with the video. It has shown very well, and can always go through that. And my DigiNow lectures through JP Publishers, around 220 hours, cover everything, A to Z topic, virology, specimens, instruments, clinical examination, videos, everything it is covered. Please, you can purchase for a year so that you will have the clear idea. You can face the exam, have the clear idea, academic part, everything. Will have entire subject is covered, including clinical part. So please purchase and have a clear idea about subject and to face the exam. So students, I hope you understood this lecture very well. Thank you so much.